Alright guys, let's talk about core extensions. You can actually skip this topic since you have studied all the remaining topics, but still I'll just make it so that if someone is skipping any other topic in the above topics, so for them this video might be helpful. But if I suggest you do not waste time studying each and every topic, from every module you can actually skip one topic, because you get questions as or options, right? So by chance that question appears, you can actually leave that section or option and go to the remaining option for the question. So you just have to talk like core extensions. It's not much. Even I'm gonna skip this topic in my exams, but still, let me explain to you. So you have to talk about oh, these three things in this topic. So what are the core extensions? They're nothing but they are the hardware components which are placed alongside the ARM core. So it improves the performance, manages resources, and add a functionality. So see, cache and tightly coupled, memory management, co-processor. They are the three hardware extensions. In cache, so you know what is cache? It's like memory block between the main memory and core. Improves efficiency by reducing wait time for data from slow external memory. Most ARM embedded systems use single level cache inside the processor. So basically, instead of accessing the memory itself again and again, which requires a long wait time period, so you actually use cache for that. Two types of cache architecture there: von Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. We saw this in the first video in the beginning, I mean introduction to this ARM thing. So in von Neumann, you just have a unified cache. In Harvard architecture, you have a separated cache for data and instructions. That's it. Tightly coupled is nothing but it uses SRAM. SRAM, if you have to see in the page 13 of the PDF, you have here static RAM. It's nothing but the fast and more expensive than DRAM. Just like that, you know whatever. So it is important for real-time systems where deterministic behavior is required. It appears as memory in the address map and provides guaranteed clock cycles. When it comes to real time, then we actually need this guarantee thing in the processors. Some ARM processors combine both cache and TMC for performance and real-time reliability. Now we'll talk about memory management. It all embedded system often use these memory management units for organizing the memory and preventing unauthorized access. Three types of memory management are present: no protection, memory protection unit, and memory management unit. No protection means fixed memory and little flexibility. This is a basic memory management where you don't have any protection at all. If you talk about a memory protection unit, not so strong, but it has a limited protection and it uses special coprocessor registers, and it has basic memory protection but not complex memory mapping. Then you have about memory management unit. So it is the most advanced memory management hardware. It translates a table to provide virtual to physical address mapping, and then it defines access permissions. It is required for OS supporting multitasking, like multitasking operating systems. Finally, coprocessors. They are attached to the ARM processors to extend processing features by expanding the instruction set, providing configuration registers, handling specialized tasks, just like that. Coprocessor operations. The ARM accesses coprocessors using specialized ARM instructions. Like the coprocessor 15 is used to control cache, TMS, and memory management. They can introduce new instruction sets such as those for vector floating points (VFP) operations. So this concludes the module, and let me know how you felt my explanation. Do you like this laptop screen recording, or you want me to like actually do it in the book or board?